Welcome to One Accessibility. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create and manage custom presets in the One Accessibility plugin for WordPress. This feature allows you to apply tailored accessibility settings across your site with ease. It's perfect for delivering different accessibility experiences to specific pages or users, saving time, ensuring consistency, and creating a more inclusive browsing experience. Let's get started. To get started, navigate to your One Accessibility dashboard in WordPress. From there, go to General Settings and open the Presets tab. At this point, you'll see a default preset already listed. This area will eventually display all the presets you create and manage. In the top right corner, you'll find the Add New Preset button. Click it to begin creating a new custom preset, which will open the Preset Configuration dashboard. In the center of the screen, you'll find all the customization options, while a live preview appears on the right side to help you visualize your changes in real time. The first section is the preset settings. Here, you can give your preset a meaningful name, such as Accessibility Preset, to keep things organized. Right below that, you can define where this preset will be applied. You can choose to apply it to the entire site or to specific posts or archive pages. If you choose a more specific condition, you'll need to select the exact content where the preset should appear. For this demonstration, applying it to the entire site is the simplest approach. Next, move to the header section. This is where you can control the appearance of the top area of the accessibility panel. You'll find an option to show or hide the translator icon, which can be useful if you want to offer language support directly from the panel. You can also customize the header's background color, text color, and spacing to match your website's design style. Following that is the panel wrapper section. This controls the overall layout and structure of the accessibility panel itself. You can choose whether the panel appears on the left or right side of the screen. You also have control over its width and maximum height, allowing you to adjust how compact or spacious it feels. In addition, you can set the panel's background color and padding to ensure it blends well with your site's visual identity. The Profiles section comes next. This is where you decide which accessibility profiles will be available within this preset. You'll see a list of both default and any custom profiles you've created. Each profile includes a toggle that lets you turn it on or off as needed. These profiles are designed to support different user types, so selecting the right ones can significantly improve usability and accessibility. After that, you'll move into the Features section, which is one of the most important parts of the preset. Here, you can enable specific accessibility features across several categories, including text adjustments, color and contrast options, orientation settings, behavior controls, and other enhancements. Each feature comes with a toggle that lets you quickly include or exclude it from your preset. For example, within the text category, you might enable options that improve readability, while in color and contrast, you can add features that enhance visual clarity. The same approach applies to the remaining categories, giving you full control over how users interact with your site. Next is the Items section, where you can refine how these features are displayed inside the panel. You can show or hide icons and labels depending on your design preferences. You can also define how many columns will be used to display the items, which helps organize the layout. Additionally, you can choose from different layout styles and set tooltip positions, making the interface more intuitive and user-friendly. The button section controls the accessibility trigger button that appears on your website when the panel is closed. You can decide whether the button displays as an icon, text, or a combination of both. If you include an icon, you can choose from several styles to match your branding. You can also customize the button's colors, border radius, and overall appearance. Placement is fully flexible, allowing you to position the button in any corner of the screen. Fine adjustments can be made using horizontal and vertical offsets to ensure the button sits exactly where you want it. Finally, the footer section lets you customize the bottom area of the accessibility panel. Here, you'll find options to enable user preference controls that let visitors save or reset their accessibility settings. You can also choose whether to display a link to an accessibility statement, providing users with additional information about your site's accessibility efforts. Another option lets you show or hide branding in the panel. To complete the design, you can adjust the footer's background color, link color, and branding color to maintain visual consistency. Once you've finished customizing your preset, save your changes. After saving, you'll be redirected back to the Presets tab, where your new preset will appear in the list and be ready for use. From here, you can always return to edit or remove it if needed. To see your preset in action, visit your website. You'll notice the accessibility button displayed based on your chosen design and position. Click on it to open the panel, and you'll find all the profiles and features you configured available for users. This allows visitors to personalize their browsing experience according to their needs. That's it. You've successfully created and applied a custom preset using the One Accessibility plugin. This feature makes it easy to manage accessibility settings while delivering a more inclusive and user-friendly experience across your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the BdThemes YouTube channel for more WordPress tips, tutorials, and updates on our powerful plugin suite, including the One Accessibility plugin. Thanks for watching.